It is Wednesday, October 25th, 2006. This is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stocks and see how they close. 2 days ago, Monday that is, I had mentioned keep an eye on ADSX, in particular a move above $1.76. As I thought that would bring the stock up towards about $2 a share. Well, yesterday, we didn't get that move, and I failed to update it. However, had you been watching the stock, hopefully you were, you saw that it gapped open early on, and there was just a phenomenal rally from after that. I did participate in this rally. Unfortunately, I used my $2 price target almost a little bit too literally, and was not able to hold on long enough to participate in the majority of the move. However, I was still able to get a nice piece of it, and hopefully you were as well. Now, I've got a 1-minute chart on here just to show you the dangers of holding onto a stock like this, in that this is the daily VWAP. The average price that people paid for the stock today was actually at about $2.43. That means the majority of the volume took place above that $2.43 level. Therefore, I view it as most people who own this stock own it as at a loss, and there's probably no reason to continue to hold this. I don't know why you would still be in it, but it ran up well past my target and on past the 200-day moving average, and just kind of got a little bit ridiculous in there. This stock has a history of moving, which is why I looked at it in the first place. As far as positions that were open, and maybe more realistic for you to participate in, were first of all OfficeMax. We got involved in that one yesterday, crossing above 46.05. It closed nice yesterday, and I suggested raising your target to 40, not your target, but your stop to 46.15. We were stopped out of OfficeMax with about just a 10-cent gain. AUXL, this is Auxilium Pharmaceuticals. I thought maybe getting above 12.33 would be see a return of momentum into the stock. It got above there and then came down and stopped us out as it hit that $12.12 level. So stopped out for a loss of about 23 cents in AUXL. The other one, Dynavax, symbol DVAX. I thought that one would need to get above $6.40 before I would consider it as a purchase candidate. The stock, made a nice little higher low in here this afternoon, so perhaps this is a purchase tomorrow with a stop under here. But there was no reason to get in Dynavax today, and it's just consolidating in a nice light volume here above that rising 20-day moving average. So continue to keep an eye on Dynavax. PEMSTAR, PMTR. I got involved in this one here, and then it just seemed like it had nothing going on, so I got out with a small loss. I said, get stopped out. I put your stop at 421. I don't know if this tick really occurred or not, but officially I'm going to say we're out of PEMSTAR. The stock just doesn't seem like it's got anything going for it in here. GVHR was a short sale that I had recommended yesterday, and what we were looking for in there was first a rally up to 2150. It nailed that level. It hit 2150 precisely today, and then to sell it short as it broke back down below 2135. So you should have got short around 2135. I had suggested a stop yesterday of 2155. I would say now you want to lower that stop down to about 2142.